Hello everyone, my name is Mary Johnson and I am a ReMar nurse, RN. Wanted to get on to share this good news with everyone. I came across the ReMar opportunity from a coworker of mine about 2 years ago, and I got right on it, ordered the products, and was have been on that journey ever since. I graduated in 2012 with my ADN, so graduate nurse, but definitely LPN, and LPN is a wonderful place to be, but I knew I wanted more, and so that was 2012, and this is 2022, right? So I've been on this journey for quite some time. I'm a 2-year cancer survivor. My life has taken twists and turns, but God had given me focus, and I'm just grateful for that. But in order to get this done, to get your RN or your LPN, you have got to get this quick facts. It is a game changer. You have to get it. In addition to quick facts, they go hand in hand. Virtual trainer, okay? The NCLEX virtual trainer by ReMar Nursing, and it is a life changer. Not only that, I was so unorganized. Gina kept telling us, get in the file vault, get this calendar. This had kept me focused, kept me on track. We just completed the 30-day challenge August 30th, right? August 30th for 2022. I tested August 31st, 2022. And the machine cut off on me at 130 questions. Actually, I ran out of time at 130 questions. So I left out of there thinking, well, I don't know. But I kept the faith, because faith works. Prayer and faith works. And I thank God for praying family and friends and church members, and got it done. So Mark would always tell us, get your head in the game. And that just stuck with me. I did the anxiety workshop because I am a repeat test taker. And I'll say it now, 5 times, okay? And got this email today, September 1st, 2022, from LPN to RN. Congratulations, got a new RN number, and God is good. So I can exhale now, and you can, you will, you must pass NCLEX. God bless you.